Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 165. Let's just see what the question states. On which of the following properties does the coagulating power of an ion depend? First option, the sign of charge on the ion alone. Second option, both magnitude and sign of the charge on the ion. Third option, size of the ion alone. Fourth option, the magnitude of the charge on the ion alone. Now let's solve this question. So we know by the fact that coagulation of colloidal solution by using an electrolyte depends on the charge present, and those charges can be positive or negative, and on colloidal particles as well as on its size. And also the coagulating power of an electrolyte depends on the magnitude of charge which is present on effective ion of electrolyte.